Atlantic Fountain Basins are the strongest, most stable reservoirs for single to triple decorative feature fountains up to 1,200 pounds. All three house and hide the pump from view, protect cords and tubing, and offer convenient above-water flow adjustment. They will support just about any decorative fountain topper, install quickly and easily, require little to no maintenance, and accommodate optional accessories, such as lights and automatic fill valves. The three square basins are named for their size. The 2400 is 24 inches on a side, the FB 3500 35 inches, and the largest 47 inches. From smallest to largest, they will support 200, 600, and 1,200 pounds. Flipping the basins over reveals the engineering behind their massive strength. Integrated support structures molded through the bodies of the basins, one in the center of the FB 2400, 4 of them in the FB 3500, and 10 in the FB 4700, transfer any weight placed on the deck directly to the ground for unparalleled capacities and stability. Turn the basin right side up, and you'll notice the multiple rotomolded channels that ring the surface of the basins. These channels safely route tubing from 3/4 of an inch up to 1.5 inch in diameter in the larger basins, from the pump to even the heaviest features below the top deck of the basins. Installers can plumb and adjust basalt columns, cord boulders, vases, bowls, or any other topper without fear of crushing or damaging the plumbing. The channels also protect and conceal any lighting cords you may want to install, such as optional fountain lights in the tops of basalt columns, or ring lights around the standpipes of Oro vases. Atlantic offers 2 optional plumbing kits for the larger basins. These provide the fittings, valves, and unions needed to connect and disconnect the pump, and adjust its flow to 1, 2, or 3 decorative elements, depending on the kit. The FB Kit 1 includes an 1.5 discharge elbow and union with multiple bushings, 1-inch flex PVC tubing, and a 1-inch valve. It's designed to mount a single Oro vase, hammered brass bowl, or custom decorative element on the FB 3500 and FB 4700. The FB Kit 3 includes the same discharge elbow and union, plus a 3-way diverter with 3 valves and 3/4 inch kink-free tubing. The unions allow toolless removal of pumps for easy maintenance and winterizing. The FB Kit 3 plumbs triple basalt columns on either of the 2 larger fountain basins. The valves, both single and triple, mount in a recess on top of the basin and allow flow adjustment while the feature is running without getting wet. For even greater versatility, the 2 larger basins will accommodate up to 1-inch flexible PVC in all channels and up to 1.5 inch fitting in the center channels. The pump chamber houses the pump and optional automatic fill valve. The autofill is highly recommended to keep the basin constantly filled, so there's no chance of a pump running dry. It comes with all the fittings necessary to connect it to the nearest sprinkler line, a dedicated water supply, or to a garden hose. With the pump and optional accessories installed, the toppers plumbed, positioned, and illuminated, and the water flow adjusted, removable handles on the valves allow the basin to be completely concealed from view, protected from any potential mischief. For those who would prefer the ease and simplicity of a kit installation, Atlantic offers 3 basalt column kits and 4 new Oro vase kits. All contain everything needed for a running water feature: basin, pump, and all the plumbing. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about the Atlantic FB 2400, FB 3500, and FB 4700 fountain basins, but were afraid to ask. Check out our installation and maintenance videos for more information. And don't forget to like, follow, and share us on social media. See you in the next video.